WordPress is a website building system that essentially runs the internet, with over 40% of websites actually being built with WordPress. So what makes WordPress so popular? Well, you have complete freedom to create and design essentially any website that you can think of. And a fundamental component of creating a website with WordPress is choosing a website theme that's right for you and allows you to create your ideal website. Hey guys, welcome along to this channel. My name's Stewart and today I'll be sharing what a WordPress theme is in an easy to understand way, as well as help you choose the right WordPress theme for your website and your small business based on your personal preferences and experience. Okay, so before we go ahead and dive into this video, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that having out the way, let's go ahead and discuss everything you need to know about WordPress themes. So in order to create a website with WordPress, you will need to choose a free or paid theme. Think about a WordPress theme as a collection of templates, style sheets, and other files that define the look and feel of your website. This includes the overall design of your website, colors, typography, page structure, and your website's responsiveness across different devices like mobile, tablet, and desktop. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, WordPress is the most popular website system on the planet due to the unlimited customizations you can make on your website thanks to the WordPress themes. Now, there are thousands of free and paid themes available for download from either inside your WordPress theme dashboard or from other third-party marketplaces that you can simply download and then install into your WordPress website. So how can you access, locate, and change your theme? Well, simply log into your WordPress backend by typing in your site/wp-admin and then enter your login details, your username, your password. And then once you've arrived inside your dashboard, then click on Appearances and then select Themes. Here you can see the current theme you have active. If we navigate down to Add Theme, this is where you can preview and install any theme that you like the look of. When you have found a theme that you like, simply click to install that theme and then click on Activate. This will change your current theme on your website. Now, it's important to note that if you have already started creating and designing your website and decide to shift to another theme, your website pages will most likely be quite distorted. The content might be all over the place, so make sure that you back up your website before making any changes to your WordPress theme. Now, my favorite free themes for small businesses include Astra, which is ideal for any small business website, both service and product-based businesses. This theme also provides a huge library of pre-built websites to help you on your website building journey. Other free themes that we recommend to small businesses include Ocean WP, Nev, and Sydney. These themes also offer paid premium options that give you more advanced customizations, priority support, templates, and more. For those that are looking for a premium theme that also offers a built-in page builder, which allows you to drag and drop elements for ease of customizations from the front end of your website, then I typically recommend the Divi theme. This is the ultimate WordPress theme for beginners through to advanced WordPress users. Divi is user-friendly, offers a powerful visual page builder, and it's also functional, fast, and responsive. Divi also offers market-leading website and page templates that you can use and then customize the way that you like with your own content. If you want to learn more about the Divi theme and the Divi page builder, I will add a full Divi theme tutorial down below in the description to help you get started. We also have other helpful WordPress tutorials that I will add down below. So again, if you're thinking of creating a WordPress website, I suggest using one of the free or paid themes that I mentioned to help you build your ideal website. If you decide to choose a free theme, it will make your life a lot easier when designing your website by installing a page building plugin like Elementor, which is a free visual page builder, or the Divi page builder, which is a paid builder. These page builders allow you to take control of designing your website from the front end. I will link 2 tutorials down below to show you how you can get started with each of these page builders. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this WordPress theme video, helping you understand what a WordPress theme is and helping you choose the right WordPress theme for your business. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, this video, all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.